Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today I'm going to show you pictures and clips of some of the best chin blackheads on the planet. While you watch, please click subscribe and the notification bell for updates. We'll show you various pimples, nose blackheads, and a few of my favorite pops. Blackheads are small dark lesions that appear in the skin, often on the face and neck. They're a feature of mild acne, but they can appear without other signs of acne being present. For quick reference, we'll put a link to our favorite pimple popper tools in the links below. Now let's look at a few more pops.
Hey, my name's Leanne. I'm checking in with Thynergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thynergy, you guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thynergy.
Thynergy.
To all the crew at Thynergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thynergy. I think you should give it a shot.